guys, welcome to or welcome back to Cooking with Pouncy. Been away for a long time. I'm back. I didn't really go anywhere, but I'm back in front of the camera again here, guys. We're going to do a what's called a Dutch baby for you here this morning. I think it's typically a breakfast item. I did try it out prior to this particular video in order to see what it looked like, and it was really, really, really good. Very quick as well in terms of preparation time and time to the table. So I'm going to be doing that for you. I'm going to lower the camera in just a moment here to show you what the ingredients are. Some of you probably maybe have already heard of this, but if you haven't, I'm going to be showing that to you in just a moment here. And if you like what you see in this video, please hit the like button. Tell me what you think as well, and pass this on as you see fit. Thank you much, guys. I'll be right back with you. Okay, guys, here we go. So for this Dutch baby, you're going to need some milk. I've got some 2% milk here. Actually, you can use whatever milk of your choice. You're going to need some flour, which is there. That's the self-rising flour. I've already put my 1/4 teaspoon of salt in there. That's going to have to go in the blender as well. I've got my cup of blueberries, and obviously if it's a Dutch baby, but blueberries. Anyway, blueberries as a cup. I've got some vanilla here. I've got about you're going to be needing about, it'll be in the ingredient list for you. I just want to show you what the ingredients are. Okay, so here's your vanilla. I've got 4 eggs here. I've got 2 tablespoons of butter. This is just regular butter here that I have. I also have 3 tablespoons of sugar, just regular granulated sugar here. I'm trying to cover all my ingredients here for you. I've got my lemon here that I've already got the zest from it. That's what this is all about here. I won't be using any of the lemon juice. I just needed the zest, which is what this is, okay? And that'll be going into the blender as well. Make sure I got everything for you here. I've got, once it's all done, comes out of the oven, guys, it's going to souffle, if you will. And then you can sprinkle powdered sugar on it, which you'll see when I get ready to put it on a plate for presentation. I'm also going to drizzle some maple syrup or syrup of your choice, or not, if you want to as well. So I'm going to stop rambling with you, but what I'm going to be doing is putting all this stuff in the blender right here. All of these ingredients are going to go in here, and I'm going to blend them together right quick. And then I'm going to transfer that whole operation with 2 more tablespoons of butter into my skillet. I've got a cast iron on over here right behind me, and we'll be moving the camera so you can see that process as well. But in the meantime, all this is going to go into the blender, all of it, put it on for a little bit just to make sure it's all blended together, and then we're going to go to the fry pan, okay? Be back with you shortly, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to put a little vanilla in there, and I need a teaspoon of vanilla, so let's just do that now. Pour vanilla in there. There you go. I think I got about all my ingredients in there. As I told you earlier now, guys, when I put that flour in there, the salt was right on top of it, and that was only a 1/4 of a teaspoon. I've got 3 tablespoons of sugar, as I indicated to you as well, okay? So let's put that in here. All right, and here's that melted butter. It's 2 tablespoons, like I mentioned to you as well. We're going to put that in here. This is real simple, guys. Just melted that butter in the microwave. That's that. And I've got a 1/2 cup of milk here. And this, again, this is 2%. You can use the milk of your choice, I guess. So I'm going to put this milk in there. All right, and this is about ready for the blender. I think I've got it all in there, and of course we don't need the blueberries and the other butter until I get to the range over there, okay? So here we go, guys. All right. All right now. Okay, make sure it's all plugged in here. I think that's about it, guys. I think that's all I need, guys, for the blending part. I'm so happy I didn't make a big mess. Okay, be right back with you. We're going to go to the range and go to that cast iron skillet. All right, guys, there's that 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to get my pan hot here, and it's getting hot, as you can see the steam maybe. All right, I'm going to Here's our blend here of mixture. I'm going to undo this. Okay. It's getting pretty hot here now. Okay. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put my blueberries in here. And I'm going to put my batter mixture in there. And we'll be ready to go in the oven. The oven's temperature is at 450 degrees. And the directions said about 15 minutes. Obviously, ovens vary in temperature as well. So we'll be checking that. But it's pretty exciting. And I did it before, like I said, just to make a presentation. And it looked pretty good. So here we go. I see that's just not starting to brown here. So we're going to put our cup of blueberries in here. Just like such. That's sizzling because blueberries. I wash the blueberries, guys, so wash your fruit as well, right? So let's do that. It's not hot. We're going to do this. And we're going to put our batter in here. Like such. Let's just do that. This is good stuff, guys, I tell you. We sure enjoyed this when I made it the other day. It's called Dutch Baby. You guys got to do your homework on where that came from, okay? All right. So what we're going to do here, actually, guys, this is going to go directly into that already preheated 450 oven. You got to shut this off. Got to be careful here. This isn't really hot, so I'm just going to put it right in the oven, center rack, and then I'll come back in about 15 or 20 minutes, and we'll see what it looks like, okay? So here's going in the oven. All right. Be very careful, guys. This oven is very hot. All right. I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes, and we'll see what happens, okay? So we'll be back in about 15 minutes and take a look at this Dutch Baby. Ooh, is that beautiful? Is that beautiful? Oh, yeah. That turned out really nice. Really nice. We're going to let it set there for just a little bit so it can do its thing, and then we're gonna slice it just like we're gonna be slicing a pie, I guess. That looks really good. I can hear it still sizzling, guys. And guys, I hope you decide to make that once you see this. And like I said, it was very good when I made it before. Looks even better now, the presentation in the pan, at least anyway. So we're letting it cool down for just a little bit, then I'm going to slice it and put it on a plate for presentation. I will be dusting it with a little powdered sugar. I think I mentioned that to you as well. And I think I'll drizzle some maple syrup on it as well. Okay, guys, that is still very hot. I got to be careful not to touch that. I got it out of the pan real nice. It souffled and then it went down. And I'm going to just dust it a little bit here with a little powdered sugar. Like that. And the same with this one. And I have to admit, too, guys, I kind of cheated. I'll show you what I mean when I say I kind of cheated with this Dutch Baby thing here, okay? All right, and I did say I'm going to drizzle some syrup on it. The other thing I'm going to drizzle on it, guys, is some bacon. Because I thought, well, it's a breakfast item. Why not have some bacon, which is what I did. Making a lot of noise over here, guys. But I'm going to do this bacon here. Like I said, I put some, got to have meat. And bacon always goes with everything, right, guys? So let's just put a couple of slices of bacon on here. Let's just do that. I cooked this bacon off earlier just for this purpose, guys, okay? Let's just do that with our bacon. All right. I got some extra blueberries that I had. I'm not going to throw those away, of course. I'll put a few of them right here. Yeah, I put a few right here as well. You guys know cooking with phones always had a fuss. Okay, guys, I think that's it. Can't touch that. Okay, so here we go. I usually heat my plates too, guys, but I didn't because the pan was in the oven. But anyway, that's the presentation, guys. Looks good. I could put something green on it, but I'm not going to. We're going to eat this before it cools off. Guys, if you like what you see, and as you can see it, it's really looks really good. Nice presentation. If you like what you see, guys, and you decide to prepare this for yourself and your family, I certainly hope you do. And I hope you guys enjoy it as much as we're going to enjoy this as well. Again, thank you so much for tuning in to Cooking with Pouncy. And please make sure you hit the like button if you like it. Pass this on as you see fit. Let me know what you think as well, guys. Have a great day. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.